In this video, we will introduce the phone function of the T5 host. Function button. When the T5 is paired with your phone and a call comes in, click the function button once to answer. Click it again to hang up. Function button. When there is an incoming call, press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to reject the call. Power button. Press the power button twice to call the last dialed number. Power button. Press the power button twice to switch to manual answer mode. The LED will flash red 3 times. When the T5 host is in manual answering mode and there is an incoming call, you need to answer the call through your mobile phone or click the T5 function button to answer the call. Power button. Press the power button twice again to switch to auto answer mode. The LED will flash blue 3 times. When the T5 host is in auto answer mode, it will automatically answer an incoming call within 12 seconds.